Hello students, welcome you all to this online lecture on concept of gene. Myself Dr. Nisha Vikas Varade, Department of Zoology, Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola, Maharashtra, India. Firstly, today I would like to introduce what I am going to teach and what genes means. The word genes means it is derived from the Greek word genesis meaning birth or genosis meaning origin. A gene is the molecular unit of heredity of a living organism. From Mendel's experiment on hybridization, it is understood that genes are hereditary units transmitted from one generation to another generation through the germ cells and associated with carrying the characters. Mendel used the term factor for the hereditary units. The term gene was first used by Johanson in 1909. Living beings depend on genes as they specify all proteins and functional RNA genes. Genes hold the information to build and maintain an organism's cells and pass genetic traits to offspring. All organisms have many genes corresponding to various biological traits, some of which are immediately visible, such as eyes color or number of limbs, and some of which are not, such as blood type, etc. We will see some definitions of genes. Genes are often described as units of inheritance influencing specific expression. Thus, gene is the smallest part of DNA having a specific function. The phenomena of gene function can be described with the help of five different historical models. The first is the Mendelian model, the second is the classical model, third, the biochemical classical model, fourth, the neoclassical model, and fifth, the modern model. We will see all these models one by one. First is the Mendelian model. According to this, gene is a unit of transmission and function. It is regarded as the phenotype in miniature, an abstract entity without any outspoken physiological or chemical connection which is responsible for a specific physical trait. This is the Mendelian model for gene. The next model is the classical model. Classical models says a gene as a unit of genetic transmission, recombination, mutation, and function. It also suggests a gene exists in different various variants called as alleles. Gene is a quantified invisible material unit in the chromosome. A gene consists or acts as an enzyme which brings forth a trait. This is the classical model. This classical model is put forth by Sutton in 1902 and was elaborated by Morgan in 1913, which outlined as follows. Genes are discrete particles inherited in Mendelian fashion that occupies a definite locus in the chromosome and responsible for expression of specific phenotypic character. Number of genes in each organism is more than the number of chromosomes. Hence, several genes are located on each chromosome. A gene, the genes are arranged in a single linear order like beads on a string. Each gene occupies specific position called locus. If the position of gene changes, character changes. Genes can be transmitted from parents to offspring. Genes may exist in several alternate forms called alleles. Genes are capable of combining together or can be replicated once during the cell division. Genes may undergo for sudden changes in position and composition called mutation. Genes are capable of self-duplication, producing their own exact copies. The third model is known as the biochemical classical model. This model suggests a gene it acts as a unit of genetics which helps in the transmission, recombination, mutation, and function. A gene exists in different variants called alleles. A gene, it is a quantified individual material unit in the chromosome. But the difference is here, the biochemical and the difference between the biochemical and biochemical classical model is that in classical model, a gene, it is act as an enzyme, but here is a gene is responsible for the production of a specific enzyme which brings forth the trait. The next model is the neoclassical model, which suggests that a gene or a cistron is the unit of function. A gene consists of a discrete DNA segment. Gene has a fixed location of chromosome. A gene or cistron, it codes for the generation of an mRNA, which in turn functions as a template for the production of a specific polypeptide chain. The last model is the modern model. What does modern model suggest about the gene? According to this model, a gene acts in a process that defines the function of an individual. A gene is a combination of DNA segments that contains regulatory sequences, transcription units, and are necessary for its function. DNA segments that contains the transcription unit, regulating sequence, and transcription units. The transcription unit, which is made up of DNA sequence, which is made up of introns, and which is also made up of flanks sequences. These DNA segments, which together are expressed by producing one or several functional products, which can be polypeptides or which can be RNA molecules. So these are the 5 different models of gene function. Now we will see the characteristic features of the modern concept of gene function. Seymour Benzer in 1957 introduced different terms for different nature of genes. Genes as a unit of transmission or cistron. It is also known as unit of function. The part of DNA specifying a single polypeptide chain and is responsible for expression of a trait is termed as cistron. It can be several hundred base pairs long DNA segment. A cistron have 100 to 30,000 nucleotide pairs. It transmits character from one generation to another as unit of transmission. The second thing about the modern concept is the gene. It acts as a unit of muton or unit of mutation. It is a segment of DNA that can easily undergo mutation. It is the smallest unit of DNA genetic material. It consists of a few nucleotide, one to few base pair long. Genes as a unit of recombination or recon. It is a segment of DNA that participates in combination through crossing over during meiosis. A recon consists of not more than 2 pairs of nucleotides. So students, that's all in today's topic. In the next video, we will learn more new facts. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.